Okay, so as you know, the other grommet that I used, it kept wiggling. I'll link the other video below. So I tried to find a different grommet, and I found this. And actually, this screw is actually thinner than the one that I used before. So I don't know how this is gonna work. But one of the things that somebody had suggested is to use the washer that came with the original vachetta. So if you see the original vachetta, it has a washer right here. Right here. So I'm going to use this washer to see if it's going to not move. And here it goes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this like that. Okay. And put this through. And okay. Alright. And this is how I did it. And I'm just going to screw this on. Okay, and now it does not shake.